Hey everybody, it's Brian from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you some of the latest postings I posted for my quantlabs.net premium members. What I'm going to show you are some of the capabilities of MATLAB just using alone the statistics toolbar, or sorry, the statistics toolbox. I just want to show you all of them really, and let me show you what we got. Okay, so obviously with statistics you got different types of distributions. I've got different references back to the MathWorks site on different functions I'm using in this potential script right here. This would demo different types of distributions, maybe cumulative, probability. We got PDF, we got normal, all kinds of stuff, just to demo some of the capabilities with MATLAB. Now, yeah, this is what I really want to show you. These are all the different demos you get with the different types of distribution. Student T, Poisson, normal, all that stuff. Okay, and then we move into different types of graphs that are available. So here I'm introducing the scatter plot, the G-plot matrix. I've got a little video here, some scripts to show off the code, all done in MATLAB using the, again, the statistical toolbox. So one thing I really like about MATLAB is this, the GUI tools from MATLAB for the various different statistical toolboxes. This is one of those examples where something called a D-fit tool. So if you need to do fitting, you can do it through a tool, a desktop tool that MathWorks provides. It's part of the statistical toolbox, and also you can export and generate code from it. So this little video will demo all that, blah 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 blah, but you get the idea. So let's go to our next section. So another big one is PDF, portable density function. That might be probable, but nonetheless, it's typical stuff of all the scripting, all the references back to any of the unknown functions in MATLAB. Here's one that's CDF. Same thing, videos, references, the video, and these videos usually go through this code, trying to explain what they do with the references here. And you get a video on every single one. So you can see that some of the power you get with MATLAB. And again, this is just for forecasting, and very powerful for trading, different time series, all based upon math. And remember, math is used to build bridges, planes. So this is not some magical stuff like where you get the equivalent of a 4X robot going out and making predictions, or some kind of I'm thinking off the top of my head, some kind of crazy neural net you train and you hope that you can, based upon the data, have a guess some kind of direction on the market. I'm still questioning and trying to understand if that is really possible. But when you look at these things, this is all based around, again, math, 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 and this is more probable than anything else because it's pure hardcore math. And again, this is the basis for all engineering, all aeronautics, all on it goes. And again, we use MATLAB, and this is just one of the more powerful toolboxes out there that you can do this with. Now, ANOVA is a way to measure variance. So if you want to watch maybe a curve, see how far it's reverting from what it should be doing, you can measure all that through something like ANOVA. There's another way, the covariance tool, again, that's one of those GUI, graphical user interface tools from MathWorks as part of the statistical toolbox that enables you to actually visually change the analysis on a curve, and very powerful. Again, you can generate code from it. So these type of tools are really, really useful for non-programmers. And I mean, at the end of the day, if you're going to get into trading, programming is going to be one of those things that is going to be a requirement, and it is a requirement if you really want to be successful at it. Now here's another form of ANOVA, MANOVA for multiple. Then we get into regression. Regression is very powerful, and again, you'll get all these sort of things in traditional retail trading platforms like TradeStation, MetaTrader, Ninja. Has all this sort of stuff, but the powerful thing is that this is much better, because you can actually, let's say, you get access to the source code to these functions, which is really powerful. And you can modify it right down to the toolbox's end. So again, interactive multiple linear regression. It's endless, and I'm just going through what I think are the best ones. Now, PCA. There's about 3 other ones I'm going to show you from here on out. PCA is a more advanced way of measuring the markets, principal component analysis. There's examples here that I give. The video, again, the references, the types of graphs that are generated. It's all in the video, and it's all out of box from the statistical toolbox. Now, I'm going to show you 2 more. K-means clustering. I've seen a few here and there. I see the potential of it, but everything comes down to experimenting. This is just another way of doing it, and the one that most people that I've talked to that really like is Markov chains. A lot of people seem to really like this methodology to measure the markets. And again, very, very advanced stuff. But this is all part of the statistical toolbox. These are various techniques to measure the market for different conditions. I'm planning to use this, and there's probably 5 to 10 other toolboxes that you can use. As I said, I've already demoed, I've gone through the econometrics, I've gone through the financial, I've gone through the core base MATLAB as well. There's some functionality there that you can use. And again, this is just for analysis and predicting and forecasting the markets. And MATLAB is really brilliant at backtesting and even importing data now from the markets. With the new versions, you can get access to data feeds like my preferred provider, IQFeed. So it's something really worth considering. If you're going to spend any money, I would highly recommend MATLAB. Anything else is below it. Yeah, there is R, but with the advancements of MATLAB in the last 6 months, since 2012B, they've really addressed the needs for traders and financial trading houses. Unbelievable stuff. So there's going to get more exciting stuff as they get more into this stuff, more specialized at curve fitting, optimization. System identification is a very powerful one, and more. Not only that, but you also have Simulink as well, and that's a whole other world that I'll be focusing on. So this is just pure stats, and this is what quants use, and a lot of this, especially these 3, K-means clustering, PCA, and that Markov chain, are highly used in high-frequency trading. They won't tell you that, but believe me, they're using it. So over and out. You can only get this stuff through my membership, through the quantlabs.net premium membership. I would obviously recommend you to join while it's still somewhat affordable, because more and more content's being added, and I don't want to go on about it, but it's a lot of people do like it. I put up a video on some of the reaction from people of my members that actually do like it. Other than that, have a good day.